Are you ready to add a touch of Irish magic to your front door this St. Patrick's Day? Whether you're crafting a DIY wreath, looking for unique themes, or decorating with classic Irish charm, this video has got you covered. Stay tuned as we break down 7 must-know tips to create the perfect St. Patrick's Day wreath that will make your home stand out this festive season. Let's get started. What materials should I use for a long-lasting St. Patrick's Day wreath? If you want your wreath to last all season, or even longer, here's what to keep in mind. 1. Weather-resistant base. Opt for a wreath form made from durable materials like metal or plastic to withstand outdoor conditions. 2. Faux florals and greenery. Use high-quality faux greenery and flowers that can endure rain, sun, and wind without fading or falling apart. 3. Sealing and protection. Apply a clear, weather-resistant spray to your finished wreath to protect it from moisture and UV rays. Want more decorating tips? Hit subscribe so you never miss our latest videos. What are the essential elements of a St. Patrick's Day wreath? When it comes to creating the perfect St. Patrick's Day wreath, it's all about capturing the spirit of the holiday with these essential elements. 1. Greenery and shamrocks. Start with a green base made of faux eucalyptus, ivy, or evergreen branches. Add shamrocks, the ultimate symbol of luck, throughout your wreath for that unmistakable St. Patty's vibe. 2. Gold and lucky charms. Sprinkle in gold coins, lucky horseshoes, or leprechaun hats for a touch of sparkle and whimsy. These accents add dimension and create focal points on your wreath. 3. Irish ribbons and bows. Use green, white, and gold ribbons in plaid or Celtic patterns to tie the look together. A large bow at the center or bottom of the wreath is always a showstopper. Loving these ideas? Don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends. What are some creative themes for a St. Patrick's Day wreath? A theme can make your wreath stand out even more. Here are 3 creative ideas. 1. Leprechaun's hideout. Create a wreath featuring a tiny leprechaun hat, a little ladder, and a pot of gold at the base. Add bright green moss for texture. 2. Rustic Irish charm. Use burlap ribbons, natural twigs, and neutral green tones to give your wreath a cozy farmhouse look. 3. Rainbow and gold. Incorporate a rainbow ribbon design into your wreath, leading down to a small pot of gold coins for a playful touch. Which theme are you loving the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. How can I personalize my St. Patrick's Day wreath? Make your wreath uniquely yours with these personalized touches. 1. Custom signage. Add a small chalkboard or wooden sign with a festive greeting like Happy St. Patrick's Day or your family name. 2. Photo frames. Attach mini picture frames with family photos or fun Irish-themed images. 3. Initial letter decor. Include your family's initial in a bold, decorative font right at the center of the wreath. Want to know where to find these unique accents? Check the description for all the product links. How do I store my St. Patrick's Day wreath for next year? Proper storage ensures your wreath stays fresh for future celebrations. Here's how. 1. Use a wreath storage container. Invest in a plastic wreath storage box to keep your wreath dust-free and safe from damage. 2. Wrap with care. If you don't have a box, wrap your wreath in bubble wrap or a soft cloth to prevent decorations from getting crushed. 3. Store in a cool, dry place. Keep your wreath away from direct sunlight and moisture to avoid fading or mold growth. Looking for storage solutions? Check the description for our favorite storage products. How can I add lighting to my St. Patrick's Day wreath? Adding lights to your wreath can make it shine, especially at night. Here's how. 1. Fairy lights. Use battery-operated LED fairy lights to weave throughout your wreath. Choose warm white or green lights for a soft glow. 2. Illuminated accents. Add light-up shamrocks or mini lanterns as focal points to draw attention to specific areas of your wreath. 3. Solar-powered options. If your wreath will be outdoors, opt for solar-powered lights that charge during the day and automatically turn on at night. Love these bright ideas? Check out similar videos in the description for more inspiration. How can I make a DIY St. Patrick's Day wreath on a budget? Crafting a festive wreath doesn't have to cost a pot of gold. Here are 3 budget-friendly DIY ideas. 1. Use a basic wreath form. Start with a budget-friendly wire or foam wreath form. Wrap it with green burlap or leftover fabric to create a lush base. 2. Dollar store finds. Pick up inexpensive decorations like mini shamrocks, green beads, and gold coins from your local dollar store. These small details add big impact. 3. Repurpose holiday decor. Got leftover green decorations from Christmas? Reuse them in your St. Patrick's Day wreath to save money and reduce waste. Want more DIY inspiration? Check the playlist in the description for more creative, budget-friendly ideas. And there you have it, 7 essential tips to create the ultimate St. Patrick's Day wreath. Whether you're going DIY, choosing a fun theme, or adding magical lights, these ideas will make your wreath the star of your holiday decor. So grab your supplies, let your creativity shine, and may the luck of the Irish be with you. Enjoyed this video? Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more festive decor ideas. Happy St. Patrick's Day!